Hey folks, it's Simon here. Welcome to your Tao Daily video for Wednesday the 19th of June 2024. The S&P closed in the green very slightly, only up 25 basis points, 0.25% for the day. But that was enough to score another new all-time high. Now, a lot of people hate this rally, and look, I kind of get why. It is fairly narrowly based. We're still seeing divergence in the number of stocks that are above their 50-day moving average. That's this chart here. We're only 41% of stocks in the S&P are a medium-term uptrend. And we're continuing to see this divergence in the advanced decline line, which is making lower highs, even as the S&P is making higher highs. So it really is very much to do with tech and semiconductors in particular. So if we look at SMH, this thing is a rocket ship. But when we get up to levels like this, it's generally a really bad time to be adding longs. All right, you tend to get a reversion to the mean when we get so far extended above the mean. The same could be said for the tech sector more broadly. If we look at XLK, also looking very, very extended to the upside here, ripe for mean reversion. Normally, when we get up to these sorts of levels, we get some sort of a pullback. Doesn't mean it has to roll over and die, but if XLK dropped from 230 to 218, that would not surprise me. Shouldn't surprise anyone. But I still think you want to try and buy the dip in this sort of environment rather than be aggressively trying to short things. One question I get a lot is, when do you short NVDA? And look, you've had basically one chance in the last 12 months, and that was this kind of pullback here. Failing that, pullbacks have been very, very short, both in terms of duration and magnitude. If you're looking to make money in the market, I would encourage you to find more productive things to do than try and time shorting NVIDIA. No, it won't go up forever, but this sort of price action has really hurt anybody who's tried to short it, with one notable exception. And obviously, that's just this period through here. The other tip I'll give you with a market that's at all-time highs is don't be tempted to go dumpster diving. All right, you want to be looking to buy the good stocks, the leading stocks, when they go on sale. Don't be tempted into trying to pick the bottom in things that are really scraping the bottom, because there's just no need to try and buy something like this. It's got so much baggage ahead of it. There are going to be so many points of failure if and when this thing finally does try and rally. So many stale bulls, trying to get out of their positions. It's much more fun from a trading perspective, trying to buy something that's in clear air where everyone's making money, and we get a nice pullback to the mean. That's what I got for you. I hope it helps. There'll be no video tomorrow. The markets are obviously closed Wednesday, the 19th of June for Juneteenth. So I'll catch you again on Friday.